Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious yellow custard crepe cake. First, let's prepare our crepe batter. You'll need 4 large eggs, 2 cups of milk, and 1 1/2 cups of flour. Whisk your dry ingredients, then slowly add the wet ones, mixing until smooth. This step is crucial for perfect crepes. Remember to chill your batter for at least 30 minutes. This allows the gluten to relax, making your crepes tender and easy to cook. It's a simple start to a wonderful dessert. Now let's cook those beautiful crepes. Heat a 7-inch nonstick pan over medium-low heat. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter into the pan, swirling it quickly to create a thin, even layer. Cook each crepe for approximately 1 minute per side, until it's lightly golden and the edges are slightly crisp. As you finish each one, stack them on a plate, using parchment paper between layers to prevent sticking. Aim for 20 to 25 thin, delicate crepes for your cake. Next, we'll create the star of our cake, the rich yellow custard. In a bowl, whisk 4 egg yolks with 1/2 cup of sugar until the mixture is pale and creamy. Gradually incorporate 1/3 cup of cornstarch. Meanwhile, gently heat 2 cups of milk with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until it's steaming. Slowly temper the hot milk into your egg mixture, then return everything to the saucepan. Cook over medium heat, stirring constantly, until the custard thickens beautifully. This creamy filling is truly delightful. Finally, it's time to assemble your magnificent crepe cake. Place your first crepe on a serving plate and spread a thin, even layer of the yellow custard over it. Continue this process, layering crepes and custard, until you've used all 20 to 25 crepes. Once assembled, cover the cake and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. This allows the custard to set and the flavors to meld. Before serving, you can dust it with powdered sugar or add some fresh berries for a beautiful finish. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.